And thanks for joining us tonight. A local family still grappling with that devastating loss, at the same time hoping to bring awareness to the issue of mental health. This is a story of Tony Schwegler, a man who was on the front lines during the height of the pandemic, but it's also about his family who, after losing the 31-year-old to suicide, is speaking up for change. Tahalil Muhaddin reports.
He was funny, he was goofy, he had energy. He was
massacre. Run!
Brother and sister Ryan Schwegler and Jill Squires are sharing their youngest sibling's story.
He was the life of the party, and people loved seeing him.
Speaking up about the struggles 31-year-old Tony Schwegler had with substance abuse and mental health.
I know there's other people out there that are struggling, dealing with the same thing. You're not alone.
A challenge made more difficult by the COVID-19 pandemic. Tony dealing with anxiety as a frontline worker.
That was a huge weight for him. I think he loved it. He was working with people. He was a part of the solution, but it was challenging.
His family beginning to notice a change in his behavior and wanting to help.
By the end of 21, we were seeing a very different Tony.
But finding it hard to get him into a facility.
There's not a bed available, there's not a doctor available. You have to wait, and 8 weeks. Oh, we have to call and do an assessment.
Believing he needed immediate help and being told he didn't meet the qualifications for inpatient care, despite expressing suicidal thoughts.
We tried to keep him safe. We tried to keep him at home. We tried to keep him busy. We tried to just take some things from him that were triggering for him.
His family having to wait weeks to have him evaluated. Time they didn't have.
All I keep thinking about is if, we had also been able to buy him some more time from even being able to get access to things that he could harm himself with. We could have bought enough time to get him into a facility.
Hoping his story helps bring change and time for others in need. If you or someone you know is in emotional distress or a suicidal crisis, there is help. You can call the number on your screen. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline provides a free 24-hour service to those in need.
Well, we appreciate them sharing that difficult story. Tahalil, thank you. The family has set up a memorial fund in Tony's honor to help others in need of mental health care. UW Health says it, too, will be naming an annual award in his name. They say it will go to an outstanding medical assistant apprentice graduate starting this summer. We have more information on both at our website, channel3000.com.